Cloudways just introduced Cloudways Copilot, which is an AI-powered toolkit that helps you troubleshoot and resolve performance issues on your server, possibly saving you a lot of time and a lot of work. Cloudways Copilot is currently giving away 5 free credits a month for 6 months, totaling 30 credits. So let's see if Cloudways Copilot can be beneficial for you. This video is sponsored by Cloudways, which means that I have a special link for you in the description below, which is attached to my promo code that will give you an additional discount and a longer free trial. So if you aren't signed up yet, make sure to grab that link. So first, let's go over what Cloudways Copilot actually is. So Copilot watches your server 24/7. It alerts you if something is wrong, explains what the issue is, and tells you how to fix it. It's like having a tech expert around all the time to help out the moment something goes wrong. Copilot helps you spot and fix those issues fast, often in just a couple of minutes. Thousands of users face performance issues every month from things like web stack errors, disk space limits, or host health issues. Normally, it could take 20 to 30 minutes to diagnose and resolve these type of issues, but with the AI-powered insights with Copilot, you can potentially cut that downtime down to minutes. This saves your business time, stress, and potentially thousands of dollars. So you may be wondering how this affects the existing Cloudways support and if you can still talk to a human support agent if you have Cloudways Copilot. And yes, Copilot does not replace Cloudways expert support team. Instead, it works alongside with them. Think of it as your first line of defense. It quickly detects issues, runs diagnostics, and gives you clear steps to fix the problem yourself. And if you still need help, you can easily share those insights with support to get quicker, more accurate assistance. It's a smarter, more efficient way to handle problems without wasting valuable time. So if you're an existing Cloudways customer, you may be wondering what the difference is between this and Cloudways Bot. So Cloudways Bot just alerts you when something is wrong. Copilot goes way further. It uses AI to figure out what's causing the issue and then it gives specific recommendations to fix it. It's like upgrading from a basic notification to a smart assistant that actually helps you fix the problem. So here's how Cloudways Copilot works. First, we have issue identification. Cloudways Copilot continuously monitors your server's key components. That's your web stack, disk space, inodes, and overall host health. And that happens 24/7. These areas are often the source of performance issues, so keeping a constant watch on them helps to catch these problems early. The moment Copilot detects something that can slow down or harm your website, it automatically alerts you immediately. This real-time detection means you're notified right away instead of waiting until users have problems or until you're going through the logs yourself. Next, we have issue diagnostics. As soon as an issue is detected, Copilot AI jumps into action. It runs a fast, in-depth analysis to figure out exactly what's causing the problem. This near instant diagnosis pinpoints the root cause of the issue in seconds, saving you the time and frustration of manually troubleshooting or just trying to guess what's wrong. And then finally, we have recommendation. Once Copilot identifies the problem, it gives you specific step-by-step recommendations to fix it. These suggestions are sent straight to your dashboard and your email so you know exactly what to do next. With less guesswork and faster solutions, you can get your server back to peak performance quickly and easily. So when you have Cloudways Copilot active on Cloudways, this is how it's going to look on your dashboard. It is going to show you any issues with disk usage, host health, web stack, or backup right here. As you can see with me, it says Cloudways Copilot is actively monitoring your servers, but I've got no active issues to report right now. I mean, I kind of wish I had some issues to show you guys, but also I'm happy I don't have any issues to show you guys. So If you did have issues, they would show up right here. And then from here, you can click into view all insights to see even more details. If you had any issues, they would show up here and you would be able to filter them right here or sort them right here. And then if you click into this little gear icon here, you can see more about Cloudways Copilot. You can see how many free credits you have remaining this month. You can see what plan you're on. You can see a summary of all the different incidents down below. And if you click into settings over here, this is where you can enable or disable insights for your servers. The insights are enabled by default, but you can shut them off if you want to here. Now let's talk about what's coming soon for Cloudways Copilot. First, let's talk about automated developer workflows. Copilot will soon include smart tools to help you automate routine developer tasks. From performance monitoring to interaction testing, it's designed to handle repetitive workflows for you, saving time and boosting productivity so you can focus on building, not babysitting your servers. It will also include bulk maintenance actions. Soon, Cloudways Copilot will make it easy to perform maintenance tasks across multiple apps and servers at once. Instead of handling each one individually, you'll be able to clear caches, take backups, and run updates in bulk with just a simple click. This saves time and simplifies routine upkeep, especially for agencies or developers managing several projects at once. And possibly the most exciting upcoming feature is automated resolution. Right now, Cloudways gives you smart recommendations, but soon it'll go a step further by actually fixing the issues for you. With just one click, you'll be able to apply Copilot's suggested solutions instantly, whether that's purging caches, managing backups, or resolving common server problems. You'll still have full control, but with way less manual effort. It's like having a hands-on assistant who doesn't just tell you what to do. Soon, it will also do it for you. And that's it. Now you know all about Cloudways Copilot. Don't forget, if you're not a Cloudways customer yet, grab my link in the description below for a longer free trial and an additional discount. If I was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. If you're building your own website, make sure to check out my description to download your free 9-step roadmap to DIY your first website. It walks you through everything you need to do to get your site live from start to finish. Thank you so much for watching.